Welcome to the TEAM01 presentation for Intro to Health Informatics in fall of 2020. Our project is the Ventilator Weaning Recommendation System, and our TA mentor is Raj Banchia. Mechanical ventilators are used in healthcare settings to help patients breathe when unable to do so on their own. While ventilators are life-saving medical devices, they can cause further medical issues when utilized for too long. Overuse of mechanical ventilators can lead to infections such as ventilator-acquired pneumonia or lung damage, also called ventilator-associated lung injury. We propose to create a monitoring system that uses patient vitals and other clinical criteria to provide a proactive recommendation system for clinicians that can allow them to see when patients are ready to be weaned from ventilators. This in turn will allow reduced harm to patients. In order to determine the clinical criteria needed for the recommendation system, we will use UpToDate, a clinical decision support site that provides evidence-based clinical protocols. From this, we will be able to find the clinical criteria such as patient vitals, labs, and medications that need to be used in the system. To develop the solution, we will split the work into a logical back-end and front-end. For the back-end technology, we intend to use a Happy Fire server to store patient data along with a PostgreSQL server for the application data. For the front end, we plan to utilize React with JavaScript. The following are high-level activities needed for this project. One of our first steps is performing the clinical research to determine what criteria will be used for the ventilator weaning recommendation system. Next, we will focus on designing the front-end layouts and back-end modules and hooks to then create an overall solutions architectural diagram. We will then create a data strategy as well as start work on the front-end and back-end modules. Important steps here include creating the testing scripts for validation of the system, along with production data scripts for deploying the demo with realistic patient data. We can then move on to integrated testing of the front-end and back-end modules to ensure that there are no issues with the solution. We will then create a deployment plan to fully deploy the application for use. Finally, we will work through preparations for our final presentation. We will then present the final solution and finally perform evaluations on the project and fellow team members. The following is our week-by-week Gantt chart detailing the high-level activity schedule. As we move into weeks 3 through 4, we will focus on performing clinical research and designing the front-end and back-end modules. Weeks 5 through 7 will focus on the data strategy and data scripts, along with coding the front-end and back-end modules. Weeks 8 through 9 will focus on integrated testing and the deployment strategies. Week 10 will focus on preparing for the final presentation, with the final presentation scheduled for week 11. We will finalize the project with evaluations in week 12 for our fellow team members. The design of the ventilator weaning recommendation system is fairly straightforward. The system will consist of a front-end client created with React, which will interact with the Java backend. Queries will be passed from the Java backend to the Happy Fire server to retrieve the necessary clinical information. That will then be stored in the PostgreSQL database for use by the client for patient dashboards and patient reporting. The following is a list of our project team members along with their primary role or roles. Stephen Campbell will be the project manager and clinical researcher. Mitzi Flagg will be our QA lead and database developer. Carl Franklin and Bhupinder Hayer will both be front-end developers, while Micah Halter and Joseph Rayner will both be back-end developers. Thank you again for listening to this presentation for TEAM01 for the Ventilator Weaning Recommendation System.